Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Y'all went into Family Dollar. Went into Dollar General, okay? And I think I did okay without mainly all the free items, and I'll put more items in here. I wasn't expecting to pay the amount that I paid out of pocket, but it is what it is because, you know, some of the prices have went up. And I was trying to do one little deal, but it didn't work out. But I'm okay. I'm okay with it because they done flagged in the store that I'll go into that coupon, okay? The coupon with the vitamins. Everybody know what I'm talking about. They done flagged that in the store that I go into. Because the store I was into, they had a whole lot. I wasn't trying to get a whole lot. All I was trying to get was 2 of them. 2 bottles of the vitamins. But you know what? It's all good. I don't get upset. All I do is say, just take them off. Take these 2 off. And I go on about my business and pay with whatever I had to pay with. I just thought my subtotal, I was thinking my subtotal would be $3 cheaper. But I'm all good. Okay? I'm all good because I still came out good. To me, I still came out good. So, let's go ahead and get to this video. Okay? So, the first thing you know is the Chlorelin bleach. They are in the dollar aisle. And there is a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupons that is attaching. Now, this is digital and 1 paper coupon, okay? The next thing is the Snuggle. The Snuggle, let's see, that is, how much is this Snuggle? $2.25. You know, they don't went up. I had $1.50 manufacturer coupon that we did get in the paper. So go on coupontime.com and you can just put in Snuggle and it'll pull up where the coupon, because I think the coupon doesn't expire until sometime in March. So I went ahead and purchased this. The next thing is the Pearl Millings Company, the Buttermilk Pancake mix. And you can do the waffles too. But I went ahead and purchased 2 because there is a $1, I think it's $1 off of 2 and $2 off of 2. One of them's a Dollar General coupon, then one is a manufacturer coupon. So I purchased 2 and I got both of those, and I believe that did come off. Let me double check. Yes, it did come off. Okay, so I got that. The next thing, it was $1. I'm sorry, $1 off of 2, not $1.50. $1 off of 2. That was the manufacturer coupon. Then the next thing I got was the Febreze plug. I think this coupon is expiring today. The Febreze plug, let's see, that is $3. Hold on, let's see. $3.25. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Crest. The Crest is $1. I got this out of the trial size. It's $1, and we had $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to this, and that made that free. The next thing is the Ajax. The Ajax, I got this from the dollar aisle. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching to this one. So you might want to look for this one. And then the next thing, I'll move this over, is the Scott toilet paper, the 6 rows. The Scott toilet paper is, let's see, how much is this? I don't know them all by, where is it at? It's on here. I know it's $3. I think it's $3. I think the Scott is 3. It's on here somewhere, but there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. And I think it's $1. I mean, $3. Yeah, there we go. The sky, sorry y'all, is $3, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, making it only $2. The next thing is the Airwick warmer. The Airwick warmer is, how much is this Airwick warmer? $2. There is still a $1.99 digital coupon. I'm thinking this coupon expires today, but I'm not for sure. And I got this only for a penny. The next thing is the Skintimate razor. It is $6. There is a, let's see, how much is that coupon? No, I'm sorry. The Skintimate is $5.40. It's a sale. So it's $5.40. There is a $4 off digital coupon, only making it $1.40. Can't beat that. But I think it's only for this vanilla sugar. So you might want to scan them before you get them. But I think it's only on the vanilla sugar that it is attaching. Okay. So the next thing, y'all see these Huggies wipes. Huggies wipes. They are $2.10. And yes, $2.10. There is a $3. Is actually you're supposed to get the Huggies and then like I think it was some Pampers, or some Huggies. I'm sorry. Purchase it, but it is attaching when you purchase two, and it did attach to both of those. So I was happy for that. So then the last thing was the All and Snuggle is on sale. 2 for $9, and if you buy 2, there is a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. So I went ahead and purchased some liquid because I do need some more liquid detergent in my stockpile, y'all. Every time I stock up for liquid, it goes out the door. Okay, it goes out the door, but that's all right. So y'all see all this stuff that I got. Okay. I paid only $11.81. Okay. After all my coupons came off, I paid $11.81. Y'all, if I had paid this out of pocket without coupons, it would have been, let's see, I think it would have been like $42 and some change for all of this, y'all. People are paying, and I understand some people do not like coupons. They don't like to deal with it, or when they do clip them, they forget them at home. But y'all, these prices are rising. And I know, some people can afford it to go ahead and pay it out of pocket. But why not get a coupon and save a little extra money? And you can take that money and do something else with it. Put it in some savings, or if you need something in your house, something on your car, some clothes for your kids. Y'all can do a whole lot with couponing, okay? But let me get off my soapbox. I've already preached enough. But like I said, this right here was $11.81. Okay? So let me show you my receipt. Come on. There we go. There is the Pancake mix, both of those. There's the Scott toilet paper. There's the Snuggle sheets. There's the Airwick warmer. There's the Crest. There is the Skintimate razor. There's the All detergent. There is the Chlorine bleach. Both of those. There is the there's 3 right now, Huggies. Then there's the Febreze warmer. There's the 4th Huggy. And then there's the Ajax. $11.81. Everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings. $30.49. Yes, $30.49 is my total savings. And here is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So, y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's channel.